Now you can see I've got all 7 of my elements of art within my base document. You can see it here, GenP elements. Because it's a collage, I can have things overlapping. I can change the angle of items if I want, but I do need to make sure that I am labeling not only in my layers palette, but also on the image itself, which element of art I think each photograph is representing. Do that in Photopea. It's slightly different than in Photoshop because first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our character before we do anything else. I'm going to change the size from 24 pixels. I'm going to max it out to 150. Do not leave it with this font. This is the default font, and that shows me that what you did was not try. So do change the font. Here I'm going to just click on the down arrow and grab something I think is a little interesting, like this handwritten font. I'm going to try this one. Once I've got that selected, I can click again on this cha or character so that window's hiding or hidden. Come over here to the T on my toolbar, which is the type tool, and just click. This will let me type. So I'm going to start by, let's do texture first. Once I have my font or my word typed, I can go ahead and grab it. Now I can't really see this text on top of this image. I can also increase the size by grabbing on the corner, same way you do in Illustrator. Make sure you hold Shift and resize. And if I want to, I should be able to change the color. Coming over here, and I can change the color that way. So this is still not really, let's try white. All right, that's a little better. With my mouse arrow off, you can see it even more. So you're going to do that for each of your elements of art. You don't have to use the same font on every picture if you do not want to, but you can. Just make sure you're not using the default font. One more thing that I want to add, you'll notice that when you type your text, it shows up as its own independent layer over in your layers palette on the right-hand side of the screen. I'll show you on the next video how you can reorder your layers in order to have things hidden or revealed.